Some people might actually just click off this video because of my P&L, but that's not the point of this video. Every trader goes through ups and downs. They go through their struggles, they're red, they're green, and it happens. I'm not profitable yet, but I'm on my journey to becoming profitable. And if you guys are struggling as well, if you guys are not profitable yet, and if you guys want to see the journey and join the journey, this is why I'm making this video. This is why I'm on this journey with you guys, and you guys can join along with me. Hey guys, it's Will. Welcome to the channel. I'm a part-time day trader trying to become a full-time. And if you guys are interested, join along with me. At this point of time, we're halfway through January, and I do want to go through the past 2 weeks of my trading progress. So what I want to do is post weekly recaps, but in today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to be showing you guys the past 2 weeks because I missed last week. As you can see right now, I'm not doing too great. So far for the month, I'm already down $100. My win percentage is 20%, which is really bad. Profit factor obviously is less than 1 because I'm not even in a profit. Day win percentage is 33%. So far it's not looking too great. It took 5 trades in total. I only traded 3 days out of the past 2 weeks. If you guys are wondering what this platform is, it's called TradeZella. It is a paid platform, so pretty expensive as well. It saves me time. It also saves me energy. It saves me a lot of the work to journal my trades. I used to use Notion, and then I used to just screenshot my charts and then make my analysis over there. For TradeZella, I'm able to just take the statements from my brokerage and then just post it here, and it'll give me all my profits and losses. It gives me a lot more data that I can play with. If you guys do want to use it, I'll leave it in the description box below. I used to trade every day, but once I start simplifying my strategy, I just started trading less because I haven't seen the same setups that I want to see. So I normally just trade once or twice a week, sometimes 3. It really depends on the setup. Sometimes I just skip a whole week because I don't see anything, and it kind of sucks because I do want to trade every day. It makes me feel like I'm actually like trading and doing my work, but if the setup is not there, then I can't do anything about it, right? I gotta stay disciplined. I gotta stick to my rules. I just gotta keep waiting for my plan and waiting for my setups to happen. Anyways, let's get into the review and why I lost $100, why I lost last week, and what I can improve on, and what I'm gonna do moving forward. This right here is the first trading day of the month, which is the first trading day of the year, and it sucks that I'm red. I followed my plan, I followed my strategy, but I lost still. But essentially, I lost more than I should. I lost 46% here, and I lost almost 40% here, and that's a lot more than what I should be losing. I'm gonna go to the charts and show you guys why I lost. This was a trade. What I look for on a daily basis is a break and retest. Essentially, what a break and retest is once it breaks a level, it retests it, and then it keeps continuing. This is an example of break and retest. It breaks this level right here, 515. It comes back to touch this level again. It retests it, or in simple terms, it holds this level. So it touches the level, it holds, and then it breaks. It keeps going further. It keeps continuing. The only 2 times I exit my strategy is if it keeps continuing right here and it hits this supply zone, which is the next key level. That's my profit target, and then I get out. Or if it falls back below and it breaks the level that I got on, which was a 515. Since it broke back below, that's when I got out and I took a loss. The only strategy I use is the break and retest. So this is a break and retest long because I'm trying to long the option. I'm trying to long the stock. In reverse, if I'm trying to short the stock, then I'm trying to wait for the break and retest short. The reason why I lost this trade is because the supply zone on the ES right here. The ES was getting closer to the supply zone that I did not respect, and that's the reason why I lost. I was thinking that I can touch the supply zone on each one of these markets, and sometimes it happens earlier, and that's why I shouldn't have taken the trade because it's way too close to the supply zone. The next trade that I took was a short position. As you guys can see, the levels are getting respected. This level right here is getting respected. This level right here is getting respected. This level right here is getting respected. Why? These are key levels that I charted off the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily. It broke this level, retested, it tried going further, but it got rejected because of this supply zone right here. Once it got rejected, I can wait for the retest short, which is what I did on this area, but I took it too early. So if I did take it properly, I would have gotten off right here, which was my target initially, but I got in too early, and that's the reason why I lost. This is my Friday trade that I took. I lost 30%. My risk management strategy is usually a 20 to 30% loss. It's on the higher end, but it's still valid. Looking at this trade again, what I'm looking for is a break and retest. These are my levels, and you guys can see a pattern. The levels that I have right now are pretty much exactly the same as yesterday. Did not do a proper break and retest, and I took it, and that's what I lost on that trade. I took a valid loss on it. I learned from it, and what I'll do moving forward is taking this knowledge and applying it to my next trade. The last trade I want to show is from last week. This is the only trade I took because I did not see any setups at all. It's not a loss, so it's still better than nothing, right? I took 2 trades, I lost a trade, and I won a trade. And the thing is, it was the exact same trade, and I'll show you what happened. Again, what I'm looking for is the break and retest. What I'm looking for is the break of the 510 on the QQQ I'm looking for the break with the 585 on the SPY. That's what happened in the first couple minutes in the market. It broke the level of the 585. It started rejecting this level right here. The second candle was starting to reject it, and I decided to get in, and that's the problem again. I got in too early, and I realized also that the QQQ was still above this level. That's the reason why I lost, because I got in too early. So right away I got faked out. I sold off right there, and it kind of sucks. I took a loss really quickly, but I understood my game plan. I understood what I was looking for, and I knew the setup was still there, but I took it too early. So now the second trade, I do have a live trade on this, and I'll put it on the screen right now, and then I'll give you guys a breakdown of what I should have done better. So as you guys saw, it broke this level. It retested the level, which that's the proper entry. That's where I should have got in. It broke this level, but then I got in too early. I got it when it broke right away. I should have waited for the retest, which is right here. You see how it breaks this level, but then this is the retest right here. This is the retest. This is the retest right here. The market went over here. If I got in out there, it would have been a 2-to-1, and I would have been happy. But I was being greedy, and I was expecting it to touch this level. I had this problem before where I wanted to exactly touch a level. Like the first trade, I'm waiting exactly for it to touch levels, and then since I'm not respecting the level, that's what I lost. This level, I was debating if I should get out or not, and I took too long, and then I got a 1-to-1 instead of 2-to-1. You see this whole zone, and you see where I got out, which is the red arrow. As the candlestick starts to do this, that's when the volume starts dying on the options. The best times to get out of options is when it goes straight up, like this, or it goes straight down. Once it goes like that, that's when you get the most value on your options, because the volatility is a lot more. What I should have done better was get out right here. This candle right here. I have two options. Either get out here, or I look for the bigger picture and get out right down here. Because I play off the QQQ and I play off the SPY, but I got out right here, which is not bad, but I just played it incorrectly and I just got a 1-to-1, and that's why I'm basically break even. So you guys see the simple mistakes that I'm making that are costing me to be red. And you guys see the power of journaling trades. You're able to see my entries, you're able to see my exits. I'm able to see the small mistakes I'm making and what I can do to improve on for the next trade. It sucks I'm not profitable yet, but I want to document my journey every day, every month, every single week, so that I can see my progress for myself and I can be accountable to myself and anyone who's watching and that wants to join along with me. To recap, these are my last 2 weeks of trading, and it's simply not going as planned. I lost over $100. The only thing I can do right now is learn and grow and look at these trades and just move forward. If you guys want to see my live trade on the Thursday right here, the $81 that I lost, you guys can watch my first video on my live trades. And what I like to say is, how you do one thing is how you do everything. You keep staying consistent, you keep staying disciplined, you keep trading, you keep journaling, and there's no way you can't be profitable in the future. So let's get 1% better every day, and I'll see you in the next one.